From the Surveys tab of a project, you can click on Insert Link. This is where you enter the survey link you want us to send our panelist into. Samplify will take your survey links and append our URLs automatically. You can see that here. If your survey platform uses a different URL variable for the session ID, you can click on the pencil icon and change it. For example, if your survey platform calls the session ID orange, you can change the PSID to reflect that. After you confirm your identifiers are correct, you can then implement the exit links we give you into your survey platform. Please note, it is important that we get the session ID back. In order for this to happen, you need to implement the redirects and replace the PSID placeholder with whatever your system needs to pipe the session ID through. Once these links are in your survey platform, you can then test the survey for complete. Please note, if you have a different link for testing, you can add it here. A test link allows you for all test data to enter this link and not the live link. The status here will change from test required to test successful once you're done testing your survey, and the PSIDs that were used for the session will be displayed here. If you do not have a successful complete, you will not see test successful here. This means you will need to double check the redirects are implemented correctly and test for a complete again.